Let's draw a hen and chick today, warm and cute. Start with simple round shapes to outline the hen and chick. Begin with the hen's comb and beak in bright red, then add soft gray shading around the white body for depth. Finish by coloring the feet orange. Start with the chick's beak and feet in orange, then color the body bright yellow. Add a touch of orange shading on one side to make it look plump and round. Amazing! Our mother hen and chick are done, like they're telling us, where there is love, there is home. Love makes every little heart feel at home.